This is Hengyuan brand concrete mixer pump. We can provide the concrete mixer pump with diesel engine type and electric motor type. Concrete pump with drum mixer. Concrete pump with pond mixer. Concrete pump with twin shaft mixer and concrete mixer pump with batching machine. Main hydraulic pump with Kawasaki brand. PLC with Siemens or Omron brand. Schneider relays, CHNT breaker, and contactor. The concrete pump capacity is 30 or 40 cubic meter per hour. The drum mixer capacity is 450 liters. Twin shaft mixer capacity is 500 liters and 750 liters. Pond mixer capacity is 750 liters and 1000 liters. Each concrete mixer pump include 100 meters pipes and accessories. The chassis with twin tires. Please contact us freely to get more details.